Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a system restore point and backing up critical files. This protects you if an update misbehaves. Next, open Device Manager and note current driver versions. Write them down or take a screenshot so you can compare after changes. Then, go to the device maker's support page and download the matching Windows 7 driver files. Make sure the architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit, matches. Once done, place downloads in one folder so you can install methodically. You now install the drivers manually to retain control. Open Device Manager, find the device, right-click and choose Update Driver Software. Select Browse My Computer for driver software and point to your downloaded folder. Alternatively, run the manufacturer's setup. EXE as administrator, this can handle firmware and dependent drivers. Make sure to install chipset drivers first, then graphics, then network. Once a driver finishes, reboot. This ensures Windows fully loads the new driver and resolves initialization quirks before proceeding. You finish by verifying each updated device in Device Manager. Confirm the driver version and test the hardware under normal load. If something fails, slow performance, or errors, use Device Manager to roll back the driver or restore the system point you created. This undoes changes safely. If problems persist, try an earlier manufacturer driver version. Finally, check Windows Update for optional driver packages, but make sure you install drivers only from trusted sources to avoid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.